Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Wiser than everyone. An engineer who makes a car has a lot of knowledge. However, an engineer who makes a train, his knowledge is much more because a train is bigger than a car and its engine is also more complex. Engineers who make aeroplanes have lots of knowledge. However, engineers who make space satellites have much more knowledge because making these huge birds that fly in the skies is very difficult. To make any kind of machine requires knowledge, and when that machine is bigger and more complicated, its maker should have more knowledge. Human beings make buildings with just a few floors, and God created the Everest mountain that has a height of more than 8,000 meters. We human beings use pipes to carry some amount of water from one place to another, while with clouds, God moves millions of tons of water every year from one place to another. Our knowledge is very little compared to the knowledge of God. One day, Prophet Musa was with his teacher, Prophet Khizr, and his eyes caught a small bird. The small bird was singing a song and flying towards the sea for water and took some water with its beak, and then dropped the same amount of water, which was not more than a few drops, back into the sea. Prophet Khizr said to Prophet Musa, "Do you know what is this small bird saying?" Prophet Musa asked, "What does it say?" Prophet Khizr replied, "It says, by the God of the skies, the earth and the sea, the knowledge of you too, when compared to the knowledge of God, is similar to the amount of water that I take in my beak from the sea."